Bringing this channel back, you already know we're going to Costco. Right, here is everything laid out on the table, minus the stuff that we already put in the freezer because it's like 90 degrees out and it started melting on the way home. I'll still show you that, but let me show you what we have all laid out here. I'm pretty thrilled with the amount of food we got for what we spent. We spent just over $1,000. I think the total was like $1,038. So pretty good haul for 2025 grocery prices. I feel like things were going down. The olive oil was a lot less than it used to be. So things are looking up for grocery prices. Starting over here, we have 2 things of bath tissue, and then we also got some of the dog food. We've been giving our dog, I think it's like pedigree or something, and it's like 90 bucks a bag, and this was on sale for 27, so we're gonna slowly switch her over. This is the mature dog formula. She's getting up there in age, and I hope that she likes it because this would be a lot more cost effective if we started to get her the Costco brand dog food. We also got some gloves. We haven't bought gloves in years, but we do like to have them on hand for different things. So got a pack of those and also a pack of pull-ups. And then we got a case of almond milk here, 2 containers of raspberries, and 2 containers of blackberries. I got some of these dates. The last time we were at Costco, I got some of the dried dates that were in a bag, and I just do not like them compared to these. These are so much tastier. So I got those, and then we also got some squash and some carrots and some microgreens. These last forever, so if you see these and we're thinking about getting them, I highly recommend them. They stay good for a really long time. We also got 2 containers of strawberries, and that is all the produce we got. I feel like lately Costco's produce has been a little hit or miss, so we didn't get much, but we usually go to Meijer for produce. Let me know where you shop for produce. It's definitely a good time of year to get it from like farmers markets and stuff like that, so might have to check some of those out. We got a few dairy items. I got a block of the cheddar cheese that we're just gonna shred ourselves. I got 2 of these packs of butter. I got some of this Greek yogurt, just plain, and then a gallon of milk. We've been getting a lot of our dairy from the Amish lately, raw dairy, but it's quite a drive. It's like 40 minutes from my house, so I just got some things here to have on hand, and I definitely make the trip for the raw dairy. It's worth the trip, and it's so tasty, and it's something that I can actually tolerate. I was having a hard time with dairy for a while, but the Amish raw dairy I can handle. So this is mostly for the kids. That's all the dairy we got. Then we have some peanut butter, 2 of the 2 packs of peanut butter. I got some of our pantry staples here, the organic pasta, the spaghetti noodles, as well as the little 3-pack of the different, well, it's a 6-pack, but 3 different kinds of noodles here. We love the bow ties especially. Then we have some of the green beans and the corn and the black beans and these Lindsay olives, which are my personal favorite. They are so good. They don't taste like normal olives that are like, I don't know, with the weird red thing in the middle, the pimento. I love these ones. They're like buttery and delicious. Yeah, so good. Another staple that we love to have and I haven't had in a while is the Mateo's salsa. Best salsa ever. I got 2 jars of it. And then the only meat that we got is 2 of the packs of chicken breast and then also some fresh wild caught salmon. We just got half a cow and we put it in our freezer, so we are stocked up on beef for a while. We definitely didn't have any more chicken, and we always like to have salmon. We don't eat meat on Friday, we just have seafood. So that's perfect for this Friday. We also have some pickled beets. I know this is kind of random, but they sounded so good to me, so I got them. And then some barbecue sauce. This is a really good flavor barbecue. We love it. And then this garlic expression stuff, I've been getting this for a while now, and every time I go I get at least one because it's so good. It's so good on everything, like things you wouldn't even think of, like rice or scrambled eggs. It's so tasty. I've put it on like pork roasts in the crock pot. So delicious. We also really like this Japanese barbecue sauce. It's one of my little 3-year-old's favorite thing is barbecue sauce. Then we got some of these hemp hearts. We like to add these to smoothies or oatmeal. And then I got quite a few spices, 4 spices. We got some ground turmeric. I got some whole peppercorns to put in our pepper grinder. I got this organic no salt seasoning. Love this stuff. So good. We haven't had it in a while. And then some cinnamon as well. And then I also got the bouillon. I love this stuff. It makes soup making so easy, and it's so much easier to store than a huge thing of broth. So I got the beef one, and then I also got chicken. The chicken one is so tasty. Sometimes I just add it to whatever recipe because it's delicious. And then I also, oh wait, was that the vegetable? Oh yeah, so this one's the beef one. And then this one is just the best vegetable base. Super tasty. Then I did get some bread items, which, I don't know, it was kind of hard for me to buy the bread items because I love making this stuff homemade. But just being in my first trimester, being pregnant and nauseous, it's harder for me to stand in the kitchen and cook. So I got some things just to make it through. But we got 2 of these 2 packs of bread. We got these flour tortillas. I mean, these were a pretty good deal. They're like $5 for 40. I just really prefer my homemade tortillas, but this will be fine. I'll be fine. No big deal. And then I got 5 bags of flour because I will be back to baking. What are you barking at, Lexi? So I did get 5 bags of all-purpose flour. So this will be good once I'm ready to cook again. And then we also got English muffins, an 18-pack. A couple more baking supplies. I got powdered sugar, 2 bags of brown sugar. We got 2 things of the wildflower honey. And then we got 2 of the maple syrup. I actually prefer to get our maple syrup from the Amish as well. It's so much better cost-wise. It's like $5 less than getting it at Costco. I prefer to get it from the Amish, but I needed something to hold me over until I drive up there. And then, like I said, the olive oil has been such a good price lately. This was like $18, I think. So we stocked up and we got 4. I use it for cooking, for seasoning my cast iron, and I use it to make mayo as well. So I'm glad to have that. And then we got 2 bags of chocolate chips. This was a request from my 10-year-old son. He said he misses chocolate chips and he wanted some. So got 2 bags of those. Hopefully that'll last a while. And then I got some brownie mix. I've been trying to make homemade brownies and just they never turn out. So please let me know if you have a recipe for homemade brownies that you and your family love, because the box mixes always taste better for us. I don't know why. I just maybe haven't found a good one yet. We also got some honey bunches of oats for the kids. We got these fig bars. We got 2 boxes of the Kodiak cakes. If you watch my grocery hauls, you know we like these. And then just a couple little snacky things. We got some dried mango. I like these pretzel crisps. They have no seed oil, so that's great. And then I've been kind of craving like dip and salsa and chips, so got some tortillas. And then we also got this seaweed down here, which is one of the kids' favorite snacks. This was such a good find. The Zevia, we love buying Zevia and we always wait till it's on sale, but this was such a good price. It was like 47 cents per can, which is about half of what we normally pay. So we ended up getting 2 cases of 30 of this variety pack. So the kids were so excited to see this. This is like their little special drink that they have with Dad. And then my special drink that I like is sparkling water, and this raspberry nectarine flavor is so good. So this was only $10 for 24, and it's way cheaper than where we normally buy it. So had to pick up those, and I'm so excited to have them. Bubbly water right now is just tasting so good to me. So here are the frozen items that we got. We got the Purdue chicken nuggets. The kids love these. And then we got 2 bags of the pork sausage. We don't always see those in stock. They usually have just the chicken sausage, but we definitely prefer the pork. It tastes so good. And then we got some of this day-baked Daybreak blend, peaches, mango, strawberries, pineapple. So good. It makes the best smoothies. And then we also got the 4-berry blend that has all those yummy and delicious berries. So we use that for oatmeal or smoothies. So we got a whole bunch of goodies stocked up. Hopefully all this will last a long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this Costco haul. It feels like old times, sharing all of the amazing food that we got. And if you are new here and you haven't seen some of my other videos, you can go back and watch some of my other epic Costco hauls and see like how we shop in bulk and how we budget for this. I have another video kind of explaining that, but it was really fun to take you guys along with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.